Good morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Also, happy National Thrift Day. Today is National Thrift Day and I'm super excited. I actually had two videos that went up today for thrift, like about thrifting, going thrifting, and a haul. And I'm actually posting thrifting content through the whole week. Yes, I finally made it back into the thrift and I filmed a bunch for you guys so that we can celebrate this whole entire week. And also, part of the celebration is that everything in the shop, itsHadrian.com, links down below in the description box, 25% off for you guys. This is one of the biggest, I think this is the biggest discount I've done pretty much almost the whole year. So, go check it out. There's a ton of new stuff, and I'm going to be adding new stuff throughout the week as well. Also, things that haven't been already discounted with a little yellow tag, please message me and I will discount the item for you guys. Just make sure to let me know first before you purchase, because you can't do anything after you've already purchased the item to discount it. But, yeah. Let's go see what's happening outside. The kids are doing school upstairs. Everything is still a mess here because I'm still trying to organize everything with mom. Yikes. This is probably the cleanest part of the kitchen. It's like right over there. But let me show you guys the cabinet. The cabinet is looking so... like this one cabinet. This is all that I've done. I don't know, I'm just so happy. This cabinet makes me very happy. I also fit in the rest of my mugs on this side that I'm keeping. So this is all the stuff I'm keeping. I'm very happy about it. It looks fantastic. It looks great. Super happy about that. And then down here, this is all the stuff that I'm selling, sending to my family in the Philippines, giving away, donating, whatever. And also it has been so super duper hot these past few days. Oh my gosh. Let me just show you guys, like the flies have been just like hanging out here. Can you see them? There's like a bunch of them. They're just like all waiting to get in. It's just so hot, and I'm pretty sure they're trying to like thermal regulate, and they're like the glass is cold or whatever, so they're trying to like absorb some of that or release some of the heat and regulate their body temperatures. But yeah, it's just been super duper warm. We're still also, I got a couple messages asking what's up with the wall. Oh, there's a fly right there. We are still waiting for all that. Plus it's been so hot, we don't want them to like work during the heat anyway. So we're still waiting on the wall. They're just finishing up a bunch of other projects that they're doing before they're gonna start on our house, which is totally okay. We just wanna, yeah, it's not like that's a big issue really anyway. It's too hot to go outside at the moment. But yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to clean up here and get lots of this stuff situated. I actually also have a couple things to unbox with you. I got some more containers and organizing things that we're going to open later on. I'm going to wait for mom to come down so she can open them with us. But right now I'm actually going to... okay, so I'm going to show you guys the cabinet. It is such a mess. I kind of just like throw home decor stuff in here. We're going to organize this. So I'm going to go through these cabinets and organize them. I actually don't think I want any home decor stuff in here. I think it's just, I'm only going to put like plates and dinnerware and stuff. So that is what's going to go on in these cabinets back here. We're here today at Ikea. Just parked here with mom. Really excited to go into the store with you guys. Haven't been here in a hot second. And look at mom's beautifully curly hair today. Wow. Guys, there's a line to get in. What do we do? Do you still want to go?
I think the line is long.
Let's see how long it is. It's like a ride at Disneyland. It is like a line at Disneyland. It's crazy. Mom and I are heading back to the car. The line is just too long over there. So we'll probably just go somewhere else instead. But
it's so hot.
Yeah, and it's really hot down here. We're like in an underground parking garage. So I don't know if I have to like come really early, Mom. You have to like come early on like a, I don't know. Anyway, see you guys in a second. Oh my gosh, you guys, Mom. We were getting out of the car and then I was looking for my sunglasses and I was like, what are you looking for? I was like, my sunglasses. She's like, it's on your face. I was like, it's so bright still. It's because it's super sunny outside. Anyway, instead of going to Ikea, we're now at Target. So let's go inside, check it out. We picked up a large bottle of hand sanitizer just to stock up a little bit. And where are we going to go now? I saw this from afar and I had to look at it because it like looks kind of cute. What is this? It doesn't have a price on it. How do I know how much this thing is? Someone like ripped the price tag off or something. This is so cute. But I guess I don't really need it anyway. Alright, anyway. This is the plate that Mom was looking for. I'm gonna show it to her. This is it, right?
That's not the one I like though.
What do you like?
I just like one plain and small. You know, like the one that it's almost like
Ooh, these are cute for plants. Accent table. This is that aisle that's empty all the time.
I know
This is the thing that you have now, but like in a different color. These weren't here before, those are new. We're looking at these little hook things so we can put it in our condo in the Philippines. Mom's trying to decide which one she likes the most. This one's pretty nice. Just nice and sleek and black. So we like this one instead. It's also Project 62, but it's smaller. It's perfect for the condo, and it's also black hardware instead of like that silvery or that copper with the silver. This one's just like all one color, has black screws. I like it. We're gonna do this one for the Philippines. Small Keurig. What color is this? Gray. Keurigs are on sale. Interesting. Mom's getting some pasta. She also got some taco shells for the kids because the kids like those crunchy taco shells like that. Just doing a little grocery shopping at Target. What else, Mom? Ooh, Pocky. Oh, do they have... I was just gonna say, do they have mayo? Japanese mayo? I don't see it. That's the one. Mine and Zach's. Probably need 2 of those. Those are the best. Smoked red jalapeno. That's like the best one. They don't have the green one. Zach also likes the green one, but there's still some of that left.
I have the green one. I ordered them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Philly cheesesteak chips. Sounds good.
Oh, we should buy a...
Mom said she was looking for her pickle chips. Pickled flavored chips. And didn't have any. Ooh, they have peach and mango.
I have that at home.
Which flavor are you getting? Raspberry lemonade. They're still out of planters. I can't believe it. Mom really likes these containers and she wants to put them in the closet or in the pantry. Penny candy jar. Wow, will not stain or absorb odors.
They all have 2.
Nice. Yeah, but you can always order more once you figure out how many you need.
But this is nice because it's glass.
Yeah, we're gonna get them. Perfect. What else do we need? This is the one I was telling you about. Look at how big these are. Mom likes these Rubbermaid. Are these different? Oh, they're smaller.
One
Yeah.
big one.
Oh, they're both the same. But they're like Okay. So these little like reusable bags, I like the print on them. Look at that. Oh, a little leopard. That's cute. What do you need? What do you need?
I need yung masila, ano po yung ginawa kong ano lagay ko sa refrigerator, wala akong lalagyan.
Perfect. I knew we came here for a reason. You're finding all this stuff, Mom. Look at these Opal House tablecloths and runners. Alright, I'm actually looking for. Oh, there it is. This is exactly what we need. Mom, I found it. Also found this floral one, which is really pretty. I like both of them. So fun. It's yellow with little tassels. Look at this, Mom. Remember I got the red one? They have the blue one. Getting some Quip toothbrushes for the kids because I can't thrift any because I never see them. So for Zach and Kate, or Zach and Eliza, Kate can have a regular one. Alright, we're at Trader Joe's. There's a bit of a line. Mom's excited to stand in line with me.
I'm excited!
So we got some super cute plants. Mom, I don't see any garlic. Do you see any garlic? I don't see any garlic sauce. You guys, there's literally like two left.
Good for pasta.
Pasta formaggio. Oh, but there are 2 garlics left. And I gave one to the lady that was waiting in front of us in line. She's super nice, and I was telling her about it. So, super excited though that we have one. Yum! Gotta pick up some cereal for John and Eliza, their favorite. I'm so excited for Lime because apparently they're sold out everywhere else she's tried to order them from. Mom, this is our aisle. It has all the stuff that we like. Look at, I see cauliflower. Oh my gosh, there's not that much left. We're also gonna need lots and lots of this. Just 3. Should I get 4? No, just 3. We're super sad because they don't have the Kung Pao chicken anywhere. I also love these pizzas. They are so good. So we got a couple of those. Now that we have a freezer, yay! This is the carne asada that we made the other night. It's actually really good. Recommend. This is another thing Mom heard was good. Bulgogi.
Bulgogi.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I got out of the car right now and there's a giant tarantula on the wall. Like, it is, like, okay, sometimes I, will, what's the word, Mom? Dramatize the size of spiders, but that is a massive spider. Let's get closer. Oh my god, it is so huge. Mom, you're gonna throw your Chanel sandal against a spider? Get away from it. Oh my gosh.
It's not doing anything.
Oh my gosh, that thing is gigantic. I've never seen such a...
I think it's kind of small for a tarantula though. Like,
You're small for a tarantula. Alright, you guys, we are back inside the house. Spider free. That tarantula was huge, okay? That was like literally huge. It was the biggest tarantula I've ever seen outside of a zoo or exhibit or something. But on the way home, Mom and I stopped at Popeyes. Woo! We got some food. So excited. We got some delicious foods. Hopefully everything's in here. It doesn't look like there's french fries. Where are the french fries? I'm concerned. Oh, you took them out? Oh, thank goodness. I was like, no, I have to go back. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we got regular chicken. We also got spicy chicken, mashed potatoes. We got french fries. And then we got some apple pies as well. Hey guys, I'm just hopping on right now to end the video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with us today. Mom and I had a blast running errands together. And hope you guys had fun tagging along as well. Don't forget to check out this morning's video. I'm doing 2 videos every single day now, so just check out our new video also tomorrow at 7 a.m. and then another vlog up at 2. And don't forget, I am celebrating National Thrift Shop Day this whole entire week. So here at itsHadrian, it's National Thrift Shop Week. So there's gonna be new thrifting videos every single day. So go check it out. I can't believe I went back to the thrift store. It's still like a shock to me, but it was so much fun and I missed it immensely. So hope you guys enjoyed those videos. Comment down below if you guys have been watching them. Let me know what you guys did for National Thrift Shop Day. Did you guys go thrifting yourselves? And if you did you find anything cool? Let me know down below in the comments. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!